my name is Megan with Gal vs. Glue Gun. We're going to play with some pumpkins. This baby already comes like this, and this is from the Big Lots. I think this is just a really cute project to do together. I want to pull in some of the orange into this. I want to pull in some of the blues into this. I want to keep the greens. I like the little container that already comes in. And I'm going to go ahead and start with this. My mixed filler bush. Love this. If you just have some regular flat leaves as well, that would be pretty. These are just foam pumpkins, so I'm going to cut all my stems at an angle to be able to stick those in. And I'm going to leave what's already in it. I'm just going to build with that, and it's just foam, y'all. We're just going to build it, right? We're just going to use what we got already. You know, we ain't going to lose no money. We're just adding to it, vamping this baby up. I'm going to put this all over to fill it up. I'm just going in, and this is, y'all, this thing is so pretty already. Ooh, I lost a leaf, and that's okay. We'll use that somewhere else. This thing is so full and so pretty already. I'm just making sure that when I'm putting it in, I want the bang for my buck with these stems, so I'm opening them up and flowering them out. I love it so much. I'm going to go all the way around. So I started out going to my 4 corners, and now I'm going to fill a little bit in between. So, all right, so see around the edges. See where I've put that extra frilly fun filler over there? We have one spot right over here. See how bare it is? So this is what it looked like before. Right here, give you an example. And look how much it's already grown out. And look how much it even looks more bang for your buck. Just grown out with that one pit. So I'm just trying to give y'all different ideas. So I did clip a couple of these bottom pieces off, and I am going to go ahead and stick those in as well, some of the bits. I'm just stretching that product out so I get every money's worth, every bit of little money's worth out. So stuffing time. I love centerpieces, y'all, because it's all about the stuffage, and I love that. So let me show y'all here, okay? I'm just spreading them out a little bit. So here's what we have already. Look how much more full that is since we started. All right, we still have 2 pieces, so we got to use them pieces, and we are going to use those in this space. I'm going to go in. I took one little piece off of there. Okay. See, what? I don't love that all the way full like that, so I'm going to snippage. Okay. I'm actually going to clip this off too. So it was kind of going out too much. I didn't love that. I want it to be flowy and come out, but we're going to kind of finagle it. If you have a pick machine, you could definitely bust that baby out and use that. But I'm sticking it right in that blue pumpkin. It's all foam. I'm just shoving it right in there. All right, I'm just kind of clipping these off and stuffing them in. I am definitely separating these. So, oh yeah. So here, let's say we're done. We're done, right? We're done with this, and it's so pretty. We're not. But I'm just saying, if that's all you want to do, you're done. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. You want to go? You want to shove, you know, your price point on it and go, let's say. But, let's see. I'm going to go in with some of the blue and just like a flat leaf. If you have silver dollars still in your collection from the summertime, springtime, use that. But I'm pulling all this apart, okay? All of it apart. But let's go in with some of this. Hey, Vicky. Yeah, I love a Big Lots, girl. Love it. Love it. But, like I said, the Walmart, y'all, the Walmart, I love the Walmart too. It has the 3 version of this already put together. All right, so I just went in with some of this. I love fall. I'm falling for fall. It's really pretty. So, all right, this is what we got. I just added some of that green, okay? Adding these little pit berries in as I see. Y'all, I put a lot of stuff. I'm probably not going to use it all because it's looking so full. This is a quick and easy project. Crazy. But this would not be hard to ship at all. Bubble wrap it. You could probably even attach it to the bottom of your box. Would you add a bow? I would add a bow. Let's go ahead and do my bow before I stuff any more. Okay, let's add a bow. Let me get my Deco Exchange Long Pipe Cleaner. I love this thing. Can't remember. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it in half. And I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna go longer because I think I want 2 tails coming down this way. 14-inch tail, okay? Long 14-inch tail. I'm just gonna pinch and do a nice little loop. I'm just gonna build this real quick in my hand, then I'll tell you the measurement of that loop. I just wanna make sure that it's gonna be, oh yeah. So I like it on the corner of one of these points. You could do it right in the front as well, but I'm gonna actually put it into the foam on the bottom. Let's say you like it right here. That's okay too, right there in between the pumpkins. There's many ways that you could do this, but I actually like it in this corner spot right here. I just like it there. So these, I think this is gonna be a little bit too big, so let me make it a little bit smaller. Thank you. I'm glad y'all like this. It's a pretty, it might not be as quick because I talky, but it's a very easy project. So it is about a 5.5-inch loop. Okay. Then do it again, mimic it on the other side. Make sure they're about even. I wanted to do my tails this way so they can flow downwards. Nice long tails, a little hair bow. My 1.5 pumpkin ribbon. Go a little shorter with the tails. I go a little shorter with the tails, and I'm going to go a little shorter with the loops every time. Okay. And this is just some Sam's Club 2.5 that I keep stocked up. You can really use any 2.5. All right, let's go 1.5 with this. And I'm just going to take this. Actually, I'm going to do a 2 loop with this. And then I'm going to get one of the orange, the rust orange. I'm sorry, I just got to grab it real quick. Going longer each time. And I'm going to finish my little bow off with a nub of this rust orange 1.5. So yes, D, the pumpkins come from the Big Lots. I'm just going to do a little nugget in the middle, just a little nuggy. So I try not to, it's easy to overbuy for sure, but I try to make sure that I'm definitely using my stuff. I have loads of stuff, just like all of us. Whenever something new comes out, we all need it. We want it, you know? So I totally understand that, but I try to make sure that I am really watching things like buying stuff that I could probably get the next year. So I'm just taking these pipe cleaners and I'm just wrapping them around. All right. So here we go. If you need to hit it with a little glue, if you can't get it nice and tight, it's okay. This is really stinking cute, y'all. I think you're really going to like this. So I just put it in, just right here in the corner. Okay. I'm going to just use some blue flowers. These are random flowers that I had bought. Just a little blue airy flower. I am going to add some of those, but you could do whatever you want. You know, you could have definitely done the eucalyptus, but I think that is so freaking adorable. I love it. I like the flowers in it because there's already them cream hydrangea flower in them, so I think this kind of goes with it. And the blue is popping. So this is a little heavy. I'm going to go down with the 2er and the 1er with this for the top, right? Because we don't want the top to be too heavy. All right, and last but not least, we're going to put our sprinkles. Y'all is so quick and so pretty. I love it. Oops. Oh my gosh, I love the blueberries in them. So when I put these berries in, I'm looking up top and looking down below on where, so they can kind of be separated from each other. So easy and cute. Look at those babies. You love the orange with it, so this is what we got. This will be super easy to ship as well, but this is what we did. We took drab to fab. I hope y'all liked this. I hope y'all go and get your pumpkins and get creative.